Evening to everyone. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, for presenting a very forward-looking and very futuristic budget. In this budget, there are many factors that are very important for the country as a whole. But while we look at Meghalaya and Northeast, I must take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Donor Minister and the Honorable Finance Minister for starting the PM Divine program. And this is a program that is aimed towards livelihood activities for the youth and women by filling in the various gaps in the various sectors. So about 1,500 crores has been allocated for a beginning, and I'm sure that much more will come in the future. And as Meghalaya, we will also be proposing our budgets, our proposals to the Government of India, especially to do with the new administrative city construction for Shillong. We are also thankful that the schemes, a special scheme for the financial assistance of states has been also proposed, and Meghalaya will benefit from that in a very large manner by over 100 crores. And additionally, 1 lakh crores has been allocated to assist the states through a 50-year interest-free loan over and above the normal borrowing. So this amount of 1 lakh crores will also help the states in completing a large number of projects that are pending, and take up many more projects that are of great importance to the people of the state. It's also very encouraging to see that technology and use of technology in farming sector has been also given a very big leverage. For example, the digital and high-tech services by using the Kisan drones, and also a very comprehensive package in horticulture has also been proposed. We are also very happy that the government is planning to create a digital ecosystem for skilling and livelihood, and digital universities and digital courses will be in it. I'm sure that the youth of our state will largely benefit from that also. Also, large number of projects in terms of logistics platforms and infrastructural platforms have been taken up, like the National Ropeway Development Program and the National Highway Network Expansion Program, which will definitely benefit the state of Meghalaya also. So therefore, it's overall a very positive budget, and there is a special mention and special focus on the Northeast, and I'm sure that this budget will have a very positive impact when it comes to our state also.